Hey there, it's AmCan Tech, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to screen record on Android 10. On Android 9 and lower, we had a nice app from the Samsung Good Luck selection called Nice Shot, and then we would take a screenshot and then a button would pop up. Let me show you it. And then here there would be an option to take a screen recording. Now, unfortunately, that's gone, and Night Shot is currently not supported for Android Q or Android 10. So there's a very quick option. You go to the quick tile menu, and then you press screen recorder, and then it takes a 3-second countdown, and then it starts. You could also click the person to show part of the front-facing camera, and you could also use a pen to select things. It's not as good in my opinion as Nice Shot because you had more settings there and more customizability, but I'm still proud that you could screen record on Android 10 in your Samsung Galaxy S10 running One UI 2.0 without any third-party apps whatsoever. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment to help the YouTube algorithm.